Good morning, everybody. How are you all? That's good. Welcome to my channel, Skill Spoken English. सीखोगे नहीं तो जीतोगे कैसे? Today I am going to invite a great personality who was studying with me and now he came in my coaching. I would like to meet with you, my viewer. They can understand when I was learning English and he was also studying. So, ladies and gentlemen, without ladies, I'm going to invite none other than only one Mr. Sales. Please come on the stage. Please, please, sir. Please, sit. Please.
No, sir.
No, please sit.
Thank you, sir.
That's good.
Thank you.
So first, my people, they want to know about you. Please introduce yourself. Loud.
Hello, students and all the viewers of Skill Spoken English. My name is Sailesh Kumar, and I am a student of BSc first year, and he is my friend as well as he is a teacher of Skill Spoken English, and he is very talented and very intelligent. I thought that when I was studying with Mr. Tawfiq sir, he is also my classmate, and he deserves lots of knowledge when we are studying in Rebel Spoken. And my dear friends, I would like to tell you about Mr. Tawfiq sir personality. He is only one student in my batch who is really sincere to learn English, to speak English, how to speak fluent, and now he is deserve all. So how many words I will tell, that is not complete for Tawfiq sir. Tawfiq sir is only not a student, he is also a teacher and a professor. Is just managing many events. So I really feel good to meet today with Tawfiq sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Sales. Well, one more question, Mr. Sales. You spoke a lot of things, a lot of words about me. I accept you obey whatever you spoke about me. Well, but I would like to share with my viewers. They want to know about you. Who are you? Let me tell you. He is my friend. When I was learning English, he was also studying with me. Rebel. That time he was a great speaker. Still, he is speaking such a great way. He speaks good and correct English. Ladies and gentlemen, that time I was unable to speak good and correct English. But now, I am speaking good and correct English. Because of Mr. Saleh, because when I was learning English, he taught me a lot of things. Still, 2 days ago, he called me and he taught me a lot of things. So I really, Mr. Thanks. That's it.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, one more question, Mr. Saleh, for
Yes.
you. How can improve English? Who they are, my viewer, they want to know about you. You know, they want to improve their English, they want to speak good and correct English. So, would you like to give 2 or 3 tips and tricks to follow? If someone they will follow, they will be a good and correct speaker. Please tell me 2 or 3 tips to learn English.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yes, my all viewers and dear friends, I would like to say something, 3 points to speak English fluent. So first thing is you have to be consistent to learn English and preparing many lots of meanings. And first of all, is very important is reading. Reading is very vital role play in speaking English in any, not only English language, any language, but I am telling about English language.
Good.
English, in English language, you have to reading many lines and so many things in book. You have to reading aloud. And second thing is writing. Writing is very important. And the main thing is that listening. Listening is very important role play for learning English. So these are 3 tips you have to follow and you have to learn and fluent English. So
Well,
thank you.
Mr. Sales, you gave such a great way talking. You know, point tips and tricks. And I hope if my viewer they will follow your mantras it's called mantras, they will be really a good speaker. But you spoke one point, listening. Wow, such a great. I would like to say about that point, listening. The more you listen, the more you will speak.
Yeah.
The more you listen, the more you learn. You try to listen good and correct English every day. If you listen good and correct English every day, your subconscious mind will understand what you are going to say, what you are going to be.
Right, sir.
Are you getting?
Yes.
And for example, I would like to give you one example. If your if in your family one baby like 2 years or 3 years, and he listens which type of language used in your family background. Either Hindi, he learns Hindi. Either Bhojpuri language used, he learns Bhojpuri. So you need to listen good and correct English. And after 2 or 3 years, child will speak like Baba, Dada. Why? Because of listening.
Yes.
He listened like this sentence.
Right.
That's what he spoke and he speaks. Are you getting?
Yes.
So I hope my viewers they are really happy to meet with Saleh sir, and he is such a great speaker. And if I will have time, again I will meet with him. And he is such a great boy, good person, good personality. And I have no more words to explain about him. What is such a great, he is smiling. Wow! I learned from him how to smile with the people, how to deal with the people, how to interact with the people. I learned from him, ladies and gentlemen. So I hope you like it, you follow it. This mantras, whatever he spoke. मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में, नए अवतार में, नए जुनून में. जय हिंद, जय भारत. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
चलो